In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix app not installed problem in Chrome on your mobile device. So, in case you've been having a problem where you were trying to install something from Chrome and it says app not installed while failing to install in your Android device, here's how you can fix this. So, it's actually quite simple. First, you have to open up your settings on your mobile device. So, click Settings, and that's it. Inside your settings, what you want to do is go inside Search, so to search for the settings, and type in unknown apps, okay? So unknown apps, excuse me, there we go. Now it will say unknown apps or something along those lines. If you can't find it, try going inside privacy, special permissions, and then install unknown apps or something like this. On my device, it's over here inside special permissions. I'm on a Xiaomi phone, as you can see over here. It may be slightly different depending on which phone you use, which Android device you use. However, it still should be pretty similar, and you definitely have this setting. Now, simply look for install unknown apps, which is down here for me. Open it up, and in here it will start loading all the apps. And because we're having this problem with Google Chrome, what we first have to do is find Google Chrome. So look for it. There we go, it's over here for me. You want to click on it, and as you can see, it says that it currently isn't allowed to install unknown apps from this source. What you have to do is simply over here where it says allow from this source, you want to tap on that turn on button, and then you'll get this danger warning, kind of a warning, which says that it will influence your system security and you may be able to install dangerous apps and stuff like that. Don't worry about it, just press OK. Everything will be fine as long as, of course, you're trying to install safe apps from trusted sources that you really know do not pose any risk to your device, okay? So always be cautious, but if you're sure that the app you're trying to install from Chrome isn't dangerous, press OK and proceed, okay? Now, if that still didn't work, what you want to do is find all the apps in here that are connected with downloads or files. So here, downloads is one of them. You want to click on it and allow it from this source as well. And then you want to go into File Manager, do it for this one as well, and then for files, etc. So simply find everything connected with downloads or File Manager or Google Chrome and make it enabled. So allow it to install the unknown apps. And once you've done this, what you then want to do is simply close down your settings and then go inside Chrome and try installing it from there yet again. This time the app should install and it should not say app not installed. If it still does that, restart your device, restart your phone, and then once it's back up opened, you want to open up that app again, try to install it, and then it should work. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.